Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to install J5Create docking station, step-by-step setup, driver and multi-monitor configuration. Step 1. Connect to power and laptop. First to power up. If your J5Create dock requires an external power supply, plug the dock's power adapter into the dock and then to a wall outlet. To link your devices, now connect the main USB-C or USB-A cable coming from the dock into your laptop's matching port. Step 2. Install the drivers. This is required for extended displays. So while basic functions might work automatically, drivers are required to enable advanced features like extending your desktop across multiple screens. Simply go to the J5Create drivers or J5Create USB graphics portal, then there search for your specific docs model number, for example JCD543. From there, download the correct driver for your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS. Then open the downloaded file, locate it in your downloads folder, and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. For Mac users, you may need to open System Preferences. Inside System Preferences, go to Security and Privacy and allow permissions for Magic Control Technology or USB display device. Step 3. Connect your peripherals. Once the software installation finishes and you restart your computer, connect all your external devices to the dock. The monitors. Plug it into your HDMI DisplayPort or VGA cables. The peripherals. Plug in your USB keyboard, mouse, and audio devices. Network. Connect an Ethernet cable if you are using a wired internet connection. Step 4. Configure display settings. For your Windows, go to Settings, then find System, then find Display to arrange the monitors and adjust resolution based on your preference. For Mac, go to System Settings, in it find Displays or System Preference to arrange the displays in your preferred order. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.